Hello and welcome back to BFAM.
BFAM is here! BFAM is here! Hey everybody, we're back again with another BFAM special episode. This is called the cooking tips episode. At least that's what we're going to try and do, give you some short tips on cooking. The main thing we want to talk about today happens to be peanut butter and jelly. I mean the thing of spice that is peanut butter and jelly. What is that? Salt and pepper. Now salt, generally you want to get something that is a little bit more closer to a sea salt or some type of kosher salt. The blue box, as I like to call it. That's simple. That's real simple. You're not going to do anything but get the blue box. It's a nice quantity. You'll keep this as a staple in your house. Keep everything going. But the thing that normally accompanies those things happens to be black pepper. Now, I suggest to you that you are not getting the correct black pepper. I want you to get the black pepper corns. And the reason why I want you to get the black pepper corns is the black pepper corns just need to be toasted to bring out that little bit of extra flavor. That's something you feel like you're missing. It happens to be because you're not toasting your black pepper corns. Let me show you how that's done. Take some black pepper corns out. Put it in a nice stainless frying pan on about medium. Just place it in there. That's plenty for right now. You're gonna let it get together. Let it cook a little bit. How do you know when the black peppercorns are toasted enough? You can start to smell it. It'll be very aromatic. And once it starts to pop, you'll know that you're in the right spot. That's when you need to be taking it out. Now the difference between that and traditional, I don't know, the stuff you buy in the store that's already pre-ground, the stuff you buy in the store is a little bit old. Yeah, it doesn't have the flavor. The reason why I suggest to you that you toast your corns is because you're going to find that this is going to be so much better, a new level of cooking. Black peppercorns toasted, stick it in a nice little grinder after it's done, and grind it each time. Nice and fresh. Delicious. Hey, we're at that point again. If you like what you saw,
You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share.
don't be a stranger.
BFAM!
See you next time.
Peace!